What's going on, guys and gals? This is Tracy, and we're going to do another recipe today. And this recipe here is going to be a pretty easy one. I've seen it done before, but I've never done it myself. We're going to make some pimento cheese. Should be a short and quick recipe. Hope you enjoy it. All right, these are our ingredients. We're going to use about a cup of sharp cheddar cheese, 1 cup of Monterey Jack cheese, 8 ounces of Philadelphia cream cheese, about 2 teaspoons of grated onion, about 3 tablespoons of the pimento. I'm going to use about a half to 3/4 of a cup of mayonnaise, and then we're going to use some pepper. You notice I didn't put a lot of salt in there, and that's probably because the cheese and the pimento already have quite a bit of salt. So you can add salt to it a little bit later on, but you may not have to add any at all. Alrighty, so we got our 3 tablespoons of pimento, and we also got our 3 teaspoons, which that's probably about 2 tablespoons, to be honest, of the onions. And you really can't mess this up, guys, by going a little bit heavy on those 2 ingredients. It's just going to make it taste a lot better. All right, we got all our cheeses in there: a cream cheese, a cup of cheddar cheese, and our cup of Monterey Jack. And we've also got some mayonnaise in there, about a half a cup. And we're going to take a mixer. Now you can do this with a, with a spoon, but we're going to do it kind of easy. We don't want to do it too fast. I don't like using a mixer, guys, because it's cumbersome with it. But it does work real well. See all that stuff coming together? And you really can't go too hard on the mayonnaise. Not really. Which, after looking at it, I think we need some more cheddar cheese, because we want our pimento cheese to be, have that classic color. So we're gonna do 2 cups of cheddar cheese and 2 cups of the Monterey cheddar. I think the mayonnaise is a little bit too much. So there we go. That looks about like the consistency we want. Now, if you can always add some more mayonnaise to it, guys. If it looks like it's too dry, and once you put it in the refrigerator, it will dry out. And it looks like we might have to add just a little bit more. Now at this time, we're going to go ahead and add our pimento and our onions. I'm going to put those in there. And again, I'm doing this on low. You don't really want it to splash all over the place. Make sure you got your nice deep bowl here. Smells delicious. Alrighty, I added a little bit of black pepper in it. Again, this is a very easy recipe, but you kind of have to play it by ear. And the taste is what's going to count. And we're almost through mixing it up here. And we're going to see what it tastes like. All right, I tasted it, and it does need a little bit more mayonnaise in it here. So we're going to put just a tad bit more. And we're going to mix it up some more. There we go. That stuff is starting to soften up. Alrighty, so now we're going to taste it. Adding the mayonnaise. This is pimento cheese, and this is on one of those healthy chips. Forget what kind they are. Some kind of bean, black bean chip or something.
Pretty good for a first time. You got to get the mayonnaise level right. But that's pretty doggone good for my first time making pimento cheese. You got to try it, guys. Real easy, real simple. Y'all have a great day. Making some pimento cheese. You'll love it.